How to create your profile on Threads. To create your profile on Threads, first, make sure that you've downloaded the Threads application on your smartphone. If not, go visit your App Store or your Play Store and search for Threads into the search box. And then, once you find the application in the search result, tap on the download button to begin the downloading process and install it on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, tap on Open to launch Open Threads for the first time on your preferred mobile device. As soon as you do that, if you already are logged into your Instagram account on the same device, you'll be able to see the Login with Instagram option at the bottom in the main interface. If you want to log in using a different account, you can simply tap on the Switch Accounts button and then enter your username, email address, or mobile number for your Instagram account in the first text box. Once you are done, add in your password on the next field and tap on Login. If you want to continue using the same account, tap on Login with Instagram and then wait for a few seconds. Now, from this page, tap on the profile picture right next to your name in order to upload a profile picture. You can import from Instagram or tap on the new profile picture option, select your picture, and then go to the next field, tap on the bio option and write a bio for your profile, and then tap the tick mark at the top right. You can also import your bio from Instagram by tapping the Import Bio from Instagram button at the bottom and tap on OK. After you are done, tap the tick mark at the top right, and then you can now tap on the link option to add links to your profile, enter a URL and title for your link, or tap on the Import Link from Instagram button at the bottom and tap the tick mark at the top right. Finally, after you are done, you can tap on the arrow facing at the top right hand corner, and then on the next page, select whether you want to have a public profile or a private profile, and then tap continue at the bottom. Now, follow through the prompts, follow the accounts you follow on Instagram from the list by tapping on the follow button, or if you want to follow every one of them, tap on follow all at the bottom. Now finally tap on join threads and you'll be able to create a thread profile. Pretty easy, isn't it? If you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.